What is up, guys? Today we are going to be installing these horns
Making me horny
into this vehicle right here. You gotta activate the horn somehow, so I took out this panel here and this button right here. So what I'm gonna do is, there's the plastic panel and the button to activate the horns. It's going to go right in there, right? Well, it's gonna screw in, so. Alright, after about 2 hours, we finally figured out how to get the bumper off. So, the idea now is to figure out how to get the compressor in here. And this right here is the compressor and air tank combo, so. Alrighty, so we are following the detailed wiring guide right here. Right now we're grounding off the cables to the frame of the car. Got the compressor there. Still gonna mount the horns right there. Haven't done that yet. And I am connecting stuff up to the battery here. Got the relay here to actually kind of control everything, and probably just gonna ground this to the frame of the car. So after lots of diagnosis, we were like, what is going on? We even got a wire meter. Where is it? Well, anyways, you tap it and it shows like if there's a circuit or not. And everything was like perfect. So what happened? Come look at this. So I tapped into the fuse box, into this green wire, which was making poor contact with the wire that I tapped. So after just tapping it a little better, the compressor started working. So gotta make sure your wires have good connections, guys, not just the grounding, which you gotta do like that to scratch up the frame. See, like in the camera there. So, yep. Well, good. That's gonna be a fun. Follow for more tips. All right, we are testing the compressor. We got the horn hooked up. Compressor's pretty loud, but and then that will trigger the horns. We're testing for any leaks, so. Oh, okay, all right. What's it at? Yeah, 100, 105. It's about. Shut off at 100, but all right. Well, I guess we'll test it. Shall we? Do we hear any leaks? Any hisses? I don't know. I mean, we should put on some hearing protection if we test it.
7 hours later.
Guys, hearts are pounding. This is the first test. We got it grounded here, the solenoid of the horn. So here goes nothing. Or something. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Here's the regular horn. Here's the train horn. Let's freaking go. Oh, yo. Alright, stock horn, train horn. So just a little post-credit scene. Car is back together. This is after the fact, back at my place. But how we get it all back together? Zip ties. When in doubt, zip tie it up. But like here, the screw there is broken, so I had no choice but to zip tie this. And then, you know, the whole thing stays in place, so. And then another thing I wanted to show, and I hope law enforcement never sees this video, but blends right in. Just drilled a hole in the middle of one of these things. And yeah, just regular old interior. Thanks for watching.